Give your disclaimer.
Don't try this at home.
Modify at your own risk.
Yeah, modify it at your own risk.
Hello. Here's your water. Here's your water for you.
Thank you.
So this is our homemade chicken
You can go
scalder.
through the garage, Kylie. You can go through. Okay. And why did you decide to make your own?
Because Stromberg sucks. And they're all on back order.
Well, it wasn't just Stromberg's, was it? It was
It's
everyone.
everybody. A shortage. So. Plus, it's bigger than what they had, anyways. And we know for a fact we can fit a turkey in here. So.
Is it cheaper than buying one?
Yeah.
By how much?
I don't even remember how much they were. Like maybe $300.
I think they were more than that. I think they were like 500.
Um,
We can look it up.
So we got $15 for the barrel, which is food grade. Previously had honey in it. $10 for the water heater element. Like $5 for the adapter to make it into a square, which I think we probably could have done without, but gives us something to ground to, I guess. And then what was it, like $20, $17 for the thermostat.
I'm not sure. Where'd you get that from? Amazon?
Amazon. Basically watched somebody else build one and we just kind of modified it. They ended up going 220. We only did 110 because I want to be able to move it around the property depending on where we're going to butcher, I guess, or what animal. So it's bubbling, so that's good. Be interesting to see if this shuts off at 100 and probably 40-ish, 145 degrees. So far it doesn't look like anything's leaking. We used O-rings on the inside of the tank for the stainless steel bolts and washers, and we used some food grade plumber's putty to help seal around the washers that we put in there and the heating element. So probably should go grab the thermometer and figure out the temperature increase by the hour and figure out how soon we would have to start the scalder up before we butcher.
There's the chickens. That is the most pathetic sounding.
That's me. Should hear them in the morning.
Yeah, they don't really sound like roosters for sure.
Where's the thermometers?
Down by all the butchering stuff.
Do you see the bubbles?
I saw the bubbles, but I didn't see your face.